First of all, we need to do a slip knot and then crochet 10 chain stitches. So now you need to single crochet back along your chain stitches. You need to do 9 single crochets. When you get to the end, you need to chain 1, turn your work and then single crochet back along, only crocheting into the back stitch. Again, there should be 9 single crochets. And once again, once you get to the end, chain 1, turn your work and then single crochet along. You need to do it into the back stitch again, and it needs to be 9 single crochets. So now you need to repeat these rows until you get a rectangular shape. Right, so now pause this video and then we'll meet once we've done a few more rows. So once your rectangle is roughly around about this size, then we're going to crochet it together. It should have this corrugated look to it. That's because you've been crocheting into the back stitch. Now we need to crochet the ends together. So fold your work and poke the hook through a loop on both ends and then do a chain stitch to bring them both together. Repeat this until you get to the end. now you need to cut your yarn and pull the tail through your last loop. It should look something like this once it's done. Now you need to thread your needle. You need to weave the yarn through the top loops of your pumpkin. Once you get all the way around, pull the yarn tight so it closes the hole. Now triple knot it with the other tail end. Pull both ends through the pumpkin. And now stuff it with stuffing. Once you've stuffed it, you should only have the longest tail end sticking out. Thread this tail end and weave it through the loops the same as you did with the other end. Once you get all the way around, pull it tight to close up the hole. Once it's done, weave the yarn into your pumpkin about 3 times to make it secure. Cut the end of your yarn and make another pumpkin. For the stem of the pumpkin, you need to get your green yarn, do a slip knot, and then chain 4. Add the earring loop to the 4th chain. Now you want to single crochet back down the chain. You should do 3 single crochets. Now thread your needle and sew the yarn into the top of your pumpkin. Knot both ends together and sew them into the pumpkin. You need to sew it so that it comes directly out of the opposite of where the stem is. This just makes the bottom bit of the stem of the pumpkin. So when you cut them down, you just need to leave a little bit poking out so it looks like the bottom of the pumpkin. Do the same to your other pumpkin, and that makes a gorgeous pair of pumpkin earrings. Now, you just need to package them however you prefer. I'm a lover of simple packaging at the moment. And enjoy your beautiful earrings that you've made yourself. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, then subscribe to my channel. It means you'll get alerts whenever I post a new video. Also, you can watch my latest video here or click on my crochet playlist. Thanks a lot for watching.